Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukanrat Sangma, Uloong Baan sa Pynshitom yaki try pha ti Pung Lada ki Pynkheiñ yaki nu kirukom ti Pung namar Kyndon ki Kyndon bat ki an. Habakren shikilat patai kubor mendakas ngi ka khatlai tarik naitung arajar arpa hendrio halor ka jingklat ki san Ngut bagentup lai Ngut ki nong bela bat ar Ngut. Kiba Ïarap hakapor bakite ki lai Ngut ki langat haka jing ring bensiam yakal RB katba kidang Pynkheiñ yaka Pung ka bajiliu lai put halapalang. Dak baperan kam dak diesel pom Menteri Rangba Uloong bagi nu ki Pynkheiñ ki jing betha na ki Kyndon an banti an Pynshitom yaki Uloong bamenta udang Peit Bniah Bniah ka jing kershan bat jing Ïarap ki bahayeng jong ki bamat na ki jingja basausi halapalang Uloong bagi ni ki baklat Kidei ki bawan na kalong yeng long sem ke baduna ka yok kokot kumta Uloong bawatla kam shimladon ka Kyndon ha disaster management Bniah ka jing kershan bat Ïarap yaki beriu bangat hakum kini ki jingja hendai namar bakidei ki bawan nakalong yeng kabadok unsakmi Bniah yakani.
Again, that our government has been very clear that we have said no to uranium mining industry. That's very simple. Thank you. Yes. Will you be?
Looking into all these wells and the illegal construction?
Yeah, I mean, action will be taken against those who are doing this. There were rules, laws, and certain things were prohibited. Individuals who are not following those prohibitions are breaking the laws, breaking the rules. Appropriate action will be taken against them. And also, we are examining that there are some requirements because they are all from very economically weak section of society, those who passed away. So therefore, we are looking at ways in which we can give some support. So I am examining. I had received a letter yesterday from some of the party members from the National People's Party. The Hima unit had written to me, and so did other units from even from if I'm not wrong, I think one was from Pynkheiñ and one more there were two more from a different constituency. So all the constituency party units have written to me. So I'm examining and seeing how we can help. The problem is that under the disaster management, there is no provision to support in accidents which happen like this. But as I said, because they are from very poor background, I will examine the matter and then I'll take a decision.
So, Honorable Tourism Minister had informed